We are in the midst of starting a new garden bed, and you want to make sure it'll be prosperous for whatever you decide to grow. You want to start with a good gardening base. Now, this is a new space for me, so what I've done is I've cleaned out as much as I can. As you can see, there are still rocks and different type of twigs. So you want to try to get out as much as you can. You may never get everything out, but get as much as you can out. Make it easy and fun. Get the kids out and help you. So what we're going to do is refurbish this soil. And what I mean by that is we're going to take our new soil and turn it into great soil. And I like to take what I have and make it work. So what I do is I use old soil from last year, and I have some new plain old gardening potting soil, whatever you can afford or whatever you have. And we're simply going to pour it in. So that's our old soil from last year. It's only been used once. It's still full of nutrients. Look at that. It looks different already, right? And then we're going to take a little bit of our new soil. And I just like to take my little garden rake and mix it in a little bit. So once you've got everything mixed in together and you've introduced your old soil and your new soil to your current garden soil, we want to use Mother Nature's water and get it nice and moist and ready for planting your seeds. I put several nails in around the bed, and you simply just take you some regular string, wrap it around your nail like so, and you have sections that you can plant different things in. Today I'm going to be doing some cherry tomatoes and some beefsteak tomatoes. And I simply just use my finger and make a little indentation like so. And sometimes you plant extras, so you're not waiting around for a seed that may not germinate. And you simply pop in a couple of seeds per space. And what we're going to do is take our strongest plants, and those are the ones that we're going to save, and we'll thin out the others. Gently cover it over. Give it a little pressing, not a packing, just a little pressing. And you've started your cherry tomatoes. And remember, don't forget to label. So I'm going to sit this here for now, and I'll come back out here, and I can use popsicle sticks or plastic spoons or forks and make labels. And we're going to do our beefsteak. Make a few indentions. Get you a couple of seeds. And there you have it, your beefsteaks. So when starting your new garden, have fun with it. Don't overthink it. Plant what you love to eat. Get people involved. Share the experience. And remember to live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it.